Hi, this is the informational video about the remote group schedules for this year for school. If you are somebody that is in the hybrid group, that means you signed up to have some in-person classes this year, then stop this video now and go to part 1, which talks about the hybrid schedules. If you are in the group that has online classes all year long, we are calling you the remote group, Group R, and keep listening to find out how your schedules will work this year. Now, for the remote group, we are going to start school like this. We are starting school on what we call an AB week, and this is what your schedule is going to look like. For the remote group, on an AB week, you are going to have live lessons online in the afternoon time for the first week of school. So what that means is, in the morning, you can actually use the morning time to do homework before school starts. Then, after lunchtime at noon, you have to log on to the computer and go to your first class of the day. So at noontime on an AB week, you should be logging on for your first live lesson every day that week. So for example, if you're in 311 and it's Monday on an AB week, you're going to go to history class at noon. And then Mr. Merksimer will give you the link to go to science class. And then Mr. Ruggiero will give you the link to go to writing class. So you will be attending your live lessons in the afternoon on an AB week, which is also the first week of school. And you can do your homework in the morning. So for example, if Mr. Ruggiero gives you a survey to complete for homework, you have to do that survey in the morning time so that it is done and you're ready to learn when you come to science class next. So it is expected that you use the morning for your homework. Now, that looks great for an AB week. However, the week after, it switches. And the week after is called a CD week. What changes for you is that instead of having afternoon classes, you have live lessons with teachers in the morning time. So on a CD week, you're going to log on to your Chromebooks for lessons at 8:05 every day. And that means you'll go to homeroom on those days. So for example, on a CD week, you'll log on to homeroom, and then you'll have your history, science, and UA, then writing, and then lunch. You'll notice on your CD week, you have UA, but on your AB week, you do not. On a CD week in the afternoon, you'll do your homework. So if I give you reading to do on a Tuesday morning during live lessons, I say, okay, we learned about this, and now I'm expecting you to read chapter 2 for homework. That means in the afternoon, you do your reading and you do your homework so that when you come back to ELA, you're prepared. You'll also notice that whenever you have a live lesson, during live lesson periods, you have an advisory on a CD week, and you do have an advisory on an AB week as well. Those will not start until probably week 2 or 3. Now, just to review, let's take a look at what AB and CD weeks look like. So the first week of school is an AB week. So we're going to have a B day the first day of school, which means you, as a remote student, you will have homework time in the morning for the first week of school and live lessons in the afternoon. So every day in the first week of school, you don't have to log on for live lessons until noon, but you should be doing homework in the morning. The week after, the week of the 14th, is a CDC week. That means that you will look at this schedule with the CDC on top. On the week of the 14th, you're going to be logging on in the morning time every day. So that means that you will have live lessons on a CDC week all morning. And then on a CDC week, you have homework time in the afternoon. And then it switches. And so each month, it's going to alternate between an AB and a CD week. And remote people, you have live lessons in the afternoon on a pink week and live lessons in the morning on this CDC blue week. Okay? And that is it for remote.